In this tutorial, we're going to walk through setting up Guest Wi-Fi in HeyGuest. This covers everything from customizing your guest login page, to connecting your routers, to generating a scannable Wi-Fi QR code for your front desk or tables. Let's jump in. To get started, open the left-hand sidebar and click on Guest Wi-Fi. At the top of the page, you'll see a Select Location drop-down. This lets you manage Wi-Fi settings separately for each of your properties. So make sure you've picked the right one before making changes. Inside Guest Wi-Fi, you'll land on the Display Config tab. This is where you design what your guests actually see when they connect to your network. Under Display Settings, you can toggle guest login methods on or off, like enable WhatsApp and enable email, and set a login priority to decide which option guests see first. From here, you can also customize the welcome text, upload your logo and a background image, and set your background color to match your brand. On the right-hand side, the preview page panel updates live, so you can see exactly how your login screen, WhatsApp login, email login, and success page will look before you save. Next, click over to the Success Page tab. This controls what guests see right after they've successfully connected. Here, you can enable advertisements to promote offers or events, and toggle on a continue button so guests can move forward to your website or menu after logging in. Once you're happy with your settings, click Save. Now, let's connect your actual network hardware. Click on the Access Points tab. HeyGuest currently supports two integrations, Unify and MikroTik. If you're running a Ubiquiti Unify network, click Add Unify Site. Then enter your controller, URL, username, password, and port to connect. If you're using a MikroTik router instead, click Add MikroTik Site, give the site a reference name, and click Add Site. Once connected, HeyGuest can manage guest access directly through your existing hardware. Click over to the Stats tab to monitor how your guest Wi-Fi is performing. Here you'll see current users, total data usage over the last 24 hours, and average session duration, along with daily and weekly usage charts so you can track trends over time. Finally, let's generate a Wi-Fi QR code. Click the Wi-Fi QR tab. Under Network Details, type in your exact network name or SSID, making sure it matches the spelling and case shown in your Wi-Fi list. This tool is designed for open networks that don't require a password, perfect for guest access. As soon as you enter the network name, your QR code will generate automatically on the right. You can download it as an SVG or PNG and print it or display it digitally. Guests simply scan it with their phone's camera to join your Wi-Fi instantly. No typing required. And that's it. You've now customized your guest login screen, connected your access points, and created a scannable QR code for instant Wi-Fi access.